Asia. It's 5 in the afternoon and it's still so hot. It's really during these hot summer months that I'm so glad to have an air conditioner. At least we can get a good night's sleep to be productive the next day. By the way, my 7-year-old daughter is very conscious that we use the air conditioner only when it's absolutely necessary. And today, she wants to help me to illustrate what I will share with you. Households in Asia will buy 680 million air conditioners in the next 10 years. But here's the thing, 7 out of 10 will be inefficient. They could consume as much electricity as entire India today. Do you realize the investment that will be needed to supply this electricity? And the carbon emissions. Can all this electricity be supplied with clean and renewable power? So 2 years ago, the power utility in Thailand and we at ADB wanted to know, how big is this problem in Thailand? And that is what we found. In 2030, households in Thailand will own 24 million air conditioners. A standard system is currently sold for as low as $400, and 7 out of 10 households choose that option, even if it uses 42% more electricity and will cost them $1,000 more over the lifetime of the product. So why do people choose this option? We discovered that this is what people can afford. Most people cannot even think of buying an efficient air conditioner because they cost twice as much. They cost as much as an entire monthly household income. Do you know what that means in terms of electricity consumption? We calculated that by 2030, inefficient cooling in Thailand will require 11% more electricity. Therefore, 11% more natural gas power, and therefore 11% more carbon emissions every year. And it will be expensive to build, maintain, operate, and distribute that capacity, because this is capacity that can only be used for short periods during peak hours. So for the power utility and us at ADB, it was clear. We had to solve this problem. We had to find a way to make efficient cooling accessible. And we needed an approach that is rapidly scalable and financially sustainable, because time and resources are of essence. So we started looking at telecom companies as an example. Why? They have a very successful business model selling smartphones. One, they serve millions of customers who want a smartphone. Two, they have enormous amount of data. And 3, they use simple on-bill repayment plans. So we thought, could a power utility do the same, but for efficient air conditioners? 1, does the power utility have a comparable customer base? Yes, they currently serve 17 million households who could benefit from efficient cooling. 2, do they have enough data to profile customers? Yes, they have a huge amount of historic data points like monthly electricity consumption, bill payments, and geographic location to offer them the best possible product. And 3, could the utility create an on-bill payment service? Yes, they could easily create an on-bill credit plan, enabling households to purchase a more efficient air conditioner. And we pay it over time. So we collected a lot of data, analyzed it, conducted surveys with 4,000 households to design a solution and develop a viable service model for the power utility in Thailand. And we did it. Our solution is a service for households to purchase the most efficient air conditioner at the price of an inefficient one. Households could use an application or website to access the platform. They tell the platform what they look for. The platform will then recommend efficient air conditioners that exactly match the customer needs. Via the digital platform, households will get a credit from a bank to cover the higher upfront cost. Households save electricity with the efficient air conditioner, and they will use these monthly savings to repay the credit over time. We project that by 2030, 400,000 efficient air conditioners could be sold in Thailand via the service. The utility then can reduce cost and carbon emissions, and they can even make a profit from their new energy efficiency service. This digital platform is a rapidly scalable and financially sustainable solution. It makes efficient cooling an accessible and affordable choice for everyone. We believe this service solution has tremendous possibilities and benefits. At ADB, we want to share our knowledge to address the issue of inefficient cooling and create new business opportunities for power utilities in Asia and Pacific. Because everyone benefits. For every high efficiency air conditioner sold, we save money, electricity, and carbon emissions.